jelly beans.
Who left the jelly beans?
In the dirt.
To see if what?
To see if they to go to soccer.
Did they?
Let's go out and see.
But not the yellow one.
He must have left that one for you special.
Yeah. Can I pick?
Yeah,
Oh.
you can pick all of them up.
I want red.
You want me,
Red.
you want me to hold them for you? No, we're not going to eat them. We're not
Go
gonna eat
pick. Can you pick the rest of them, and then you can put them in your Easter basket?
Oh.
'em. You have all sorts of fun colors.
Orange. I like orange.
You do.
And red.
And red?
Yeah. But there's a black one. We have to keep the yellow one in there.
Can you pick the rest of them?
Yeah. What's this color?
That's red.
Red.
Well, that one got dirt on it.
Huh. But I can get off. This one's not orange.
There's another one. There's a couple more.
Brown.
Yeah.
Let's go put those in your Easter basket, okay?
Ew. But I want to eat them. Whoa.
After church, you could eat one, okay?
No.
Because we're going to put your pretty dress on.
No. But I want to put them in there.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to